Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muzame Putra, and today I will be giving a pitch about geoengineering. Okay, as an introduction and as an attention getter, I would like to talk about Mount Pinatubo eruption that happens during 1991 in the Philippines. So when this eruption happens, the volcanic aerosol covered the stratosphere, which is a layer above atmosphere, So when this happened, this volcanic aerosol, it reflects the sunlight back to the space. So instead of the Earth absorbing the sunlight's heat, it reflects the sunlight back to space. And the consequences of this eruption is that it cooled the Earth down for 3 years. So, my question is, what if we could replicate the same event and we could cool Earth down for good? No, don't worry, I'm not suggesting that we should do a lot of volcanic eruptions. So my proposal is that we can use geoengineering. So the problem here, the main issue of the Earth is that we are facing global warming. And one of the reasons why we are facing global warming is that the Earth itself, it absorbs 71% of heat from the sunlight. And meanwhile, the areas such as clouds, sea, snow, and desert, the remaining 29% of the heat from sunlight was reflected back to Earth. So, my question is, what if we could increase the amount of reflected sunlight to the space? So, my pitch is we could use geoengineering. Geoengineering is a field of engineering that is responsible in removing carbon from the earth and also reflecting the sunlight back to earth, which is our main focus for today. So my solution is in geoengineering, there is a specific technique which is called stratospheric aerosol injection. And why should we do this? Is that according to scientists, their names are Smith and Warner. They already did all the math in the study. So the first reason is it's surprisingly cheap. And the second reason is we already have the equipment. All we need is sulfur dioxide. We already have those on Earth, and normal aircrafts. In fact, normal planes will do the job. And the third reason is when we inject aerosol into the stratosphere, it would create some kind of artificial cloud that is able to reflect the sunlight back to the space. And when we do this, we might be able to reverse global warming because instead of absorbing most of um, the sunlight's heat, we could reflect it back to the space. And when we do that, it could give us enough time to transition from the carbon fuel. Now, to recap my presentation today and to reinforce my proposal and pitch, the first one is we learned about Mount Pinatubo, how it cooled down Earth, and why we should replicate the same event on Earth. So we could, uh, so we could cool the Earth down in a global scale. This is because we need to find a way to cool the Earth down because obviously we are facing um, the problem of global warming. And the third reason is my pitch geoengineering is a credible solution. The scientists already calculated, already do their math. And the fourth reason is it is possible to be done in our lifetime. So to end this pitch, these are my references that I used in making this proposal presentation. That will be all. Thank you so much.